Hi, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for resetting data crash on Airbag module. As you can see, guys, I got this module is I believe this module is for Fiat 500. I think it's 2009 or 10. I'm not sure. Just one of my colleagues, he just showed this module to me. I already opened it, as you can see. Yeah, and I believe this vehicle has been on accident, and all the data has been crashed. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to try to reset the data. As you can see, guys, I already opened the module. This is the back of the module, and this is the front of the module. I believe the actual EEPROM, that's the micro EEPROM, is very tiny one. That's the one. I think we need to desolder this, and we try to connect to our software and try to clear the data. Let me, I just put this one on under my microscope. As you can see, guys, this is the actual EEPROM. That's the EEPROM here. Is 95320. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to desolder the EEPROM, and we see if we can clear the crash data. Very tiny EEPROM. As you can see, I already desoldered the actual chip. Let me just clean it now. And this looks good. And now we're gonna put that one here. Very tiny, guys. Very small EEPROM. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's the pin one, just right there. I'm going to just, I think that will be good here. That's the right one here. Let me see if I can put that one here. Okay. So the other side, just to make it secure. Okay, and then that side as well. It's a little bit flat. And now try to okay, looks good this side to me. Let me clean this side as well. I think looks good. Let me clean it. Just double check again. That looks good for me. Let me just switch this one off and then double check with this. Yeah, that looks good. E20. Yeah, I can read the number now. Yeah. Alright, so now we go back to the laptop. Okay guys, let's be just, yeah, I think I'm gonna use X tool today to just try to program this EEPROM. So let's see pin 1. So I'll just connect this here. Pin 1 is there, and pin 1 on this one. That will be, I think, here. Okay, pin 1, everything good here. So now connect this to my X tool. As you can see guys, everything is connected. So let me just open X tool now. Alright, I just confirm, and then I go to EEPROM. Yeah, I go to EEPROM. Okay, yeah, this is 95320. Alright, so now we're gonna press read. As you can see, all my pin is good and it's reading very nice. Read successful. And now I verify the reading. So verify successful. So now I'm going to save this. I just saved that one on my desktop. Where is my desktop gone? I think I'm on my document. So let me just find my desktop. Yeah, that's desktop. I just put that one here, data org 500, save. As you can see guys, my data is just already saved here. Now I go to Airbag. I go to Airbag calculator. I just open this, and then from here I go to Fiat. You can see guys, this number 5WK43908. Yeah, that's the one here. 5178298. That's the one. I just load the file. This is a file we just read, and I just clear the crash data. The crash data is already clear, so I save it here. So now what I do, I just open this. We just compare the file. This is my this is the data, the original data. Let me see, we got reading. Yeah, we got reading. And this is the clear cache data. We just make sure we confirm. As you can see guys, this is a crash data. It's been already cleared, and you go and you can see there is another one as well, so that's good. So that's mean we got good data. So I close this one now. Now I'm gonna go back to the EEPROM again. So that's EEPROM, that's the one here, 95320. Now what we do, we just load. This is the clear one, and then after that we just write start yard. Yes, as you can see guys, it's just testing the pin. Now it's trying to writing back all the data, obviously the clean data. So write successful, and now I verify the file again to make sure everything write it back successfully. Verify successful, so that's good. Close that one here as well, and then take off my X tool. So I'm gonna take that one off as well. Just put my X tool here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the EEPROM out. Alright, so let's redo that. So I'll take that one off as well. So I'm just going to use hot air to take that one off. Alright, that's off. I will take that one off as well. Just bring the airbag module back to here. So now I'm going to just solder everything back. So let me just get ready. See if we can put this one back. I think that should be good just right here. Just a small touch. Alright. Now just hold it from here maybe. Okay, that area is good. So just do here now. Very tiny guys, very tiny. So it's a bit more. And this area is okay. This I just double check here as well. Right here. Make sure here is good as well. Okay. Now let's be clean it. Okay, we good, guys. That's all done. Everything nice. That was a very tiny one, as you can see, just right here. That's good. Then this is the result. Nice, and everything is good. So I'm gonna put this one back to the actual case. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, we do something else on the next video. Thank you.